Carentra is established in 2014. We have built our pyrolysis system in Barcadia, and from there on we were ready and able to make fuel out of tires or any rubber for that matter. And we have done also use motor oil since then. But currently we are just seriously looking at solving the tire problem of Aruba by doing pyrolyzing all the tires of Aruba. Carentra has a pretty new process which we use, and it is like the last 10 years it is developing, and we have spent a lot of time and energy to fix the system, to optimize it, to make it workable. It is a pyrolysis system, and basically it's a closed system, so there is no pollution out of the system, and we will be able to recycle nearly 100% of the tires. So we will have 3 products, which will, after recycling the tire, we will have fuel, and will have the steel, which is in tires, and we will have a carbon black. That's something what is added in the rubber to make the rubber sturdy. So that product we'll have also. So we will have 3 products when finished. There's nothing thrown in the environment, nothing released in the air. It's not burned. It is pyrolyzed. It's a closed system. So we heat with the diesel oil, we heat the system. So nothing is coming into the air as pollution. It's just a very close and clean system. We established this company as being with the sole purpose to be the solution for the tire menace which we have in Aruba. It's burned in open air, and I am working in Barcadera now for 25 years. So the whole reason we established this company was to be the solution for the tire menace of Aruba. And hopefully we will come to that finally. It will be, and the people of Aruba will be also rid of the problem of these open fires at the dump.